Good morning everyone. Welcome back. Today we are going to see the different logic gates in the Boolean algebra. In the previous class we saw the truth tables related to AND operation, OR operation, NOT operation, implication and etc. Today we are going to see the basic logic gates. First of all we will see the AND gate, that is A as well as B. We saw their truth table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and the product gives you A and B there 0 0 0 1, and the logic gate will look like this. A, B, and the output will be A and B. Similarly, we can have more than two inputs. Suppose we have A, B, C. A, B, C. Our AND gate will look like this. A into B into C. This is the logic gate. And next we are going to find what is a logic gate. A logic gate is a electronic circuit which will take one or more than one input and gives only one output. So what is a logic gate? It is an electronic circuit which will take one or more than one input and gives only one output. The same thing is given here. More than one input, we get only one output. That is A into B into C, the product. Here two inputs are there. Okay, now let's go for the OR gate. The truth table for the OR gate is like this. A, B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and the output is A plus B. We saw already 0, 1, 1, 1. It's logic circuit. This is A, B, this is A plus B. This can have more than two inputs. So we write them A, B, C. Then the output is A plus B plus C. I think it is clear. Next we have a NOT gate. This is the only one gate which takes one input. So A and the output is A bar 0 1. It will become as 1 0. That is just a complementary. And this is the only one gate which takes one input. So here we have A and the output will be A bar. Only one input will be taken. Okay. Next we are going to see NAND gate. NAND gate is a combination of AND and the NOT gate. If you add a NOT gate at the end of the AND gate, it becomes as NAND gate. This is known as a universal gate. That is A into B was AND, and then putting a bar to that will become as NAND. Then we can say by using the De Morgan's law, breaking the line and changing the sign, we can write breaking the line into will be made as plus. A into B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. This is the formula of NAND gate. Let us see. A, B, we had AND gate. When we are adding this not at the end of this, and we should get it as this is A into B, this is A into B, the whole bar. We can say the logic circuit as the NAND gate is having the symbol like this. A, B, this is A into B, the whole bar. This is the explanation. And is given with a not at the end is formed in this way, NAND gate. Okay. Its formula is given here. Let us see the truth table. A is there, B is there, A bar is there, B bar is there. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. A bar will be 1, 1, complementing. 0, 0, complemented. This is 1, 0, 1, 0, complemented. Let us add A bar plus B bar. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0. This is A bar plus B bar. That is the truth. Next we have NOR gate. To the end of OR gate we add NOT gate to get a NOR gate. So we have A and B 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is A plus B 0, 1, 1, 1. A plus B the whole bar. A plus B the whole bar. That is 1, 0, 0, 0. So we say A plus B the whole bar is equal to A plus B the whole bar is equal to, break the line, change the sign. It is becoming as A bar into B bar. Let us see the logic circuit. I told to the end of the OR gate, NOT gate is connected. That means we want this kind of a 1 to this. NOT gate is connected, but in the Boolean algebra we have the NOR gate as this is the NOR gate. This is the circuit, logic circuit for NOR gate. This also can have more than 2 inputs and the corresponding outputs too. We say the NAND gate and the NOR gate as the universal gates. All those things we will see in the coming classes. Remember, in the coming examination, you will have portions from class 11, definitely from any part of the class 11 syllabus, because we cannot ignore, we cannot neglect any portion from class 11. So anything can be from class 11 plus the Boolean algebra what we have studied so far, then the inheritance chapter questions. Okay, so please get prepared. Okay, all the best. Thank you.